everyone. As you can see, we have another Star Wars The Black Series figure in front of us. This time it is Dengar. This is the archive line. I missed the initial red box version of this. I believe it was 2018. I'm glad they started doing that. So I'm happy that they released the archive line, and I'll leave a link down there for an Amazon affiliate link, just in case you're interested in picking them up yourself. I'm not sure how many places have this available right now, but Amazon had it before GameStop was going to release it. GameStop's been really bad lately, and I'm not going to talk anymore about that. Anyways, moving on. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and unbox Dengar here. But first, we're going to take a look at the outside the box here, and then we'll go ahead and unbox him, take a look at his articulation, take some pictures, come back, talk about some of the things we like and or dislike about the figure. So as you can see, like typical archive line, we've got the name, Dengar Archive, and then we have what he actually comes with. He actually comes with quite a bit. You'll see that he's got a sidearm, he's got a rifle, and then he's got his backpack as well. It's an interesting face sculpt there, but we'll come back to that. And then on the back here, you can see that it was from the 2018 red box line, and Dengar, crude and slovenly, Dengar was nonetheless an effective bounty hunter. While some hunters prided themselves on finesse and style, Dengar preferred firepower and destruction. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox him. And while I'm doing this, might as well ask, did you pick up the original red box, or are you going to pick up the archive line like I did? Like I said, I really wish that I didn't miss out on the original red box, but happy that I was able to pick up this guy. So, all right. So just be careful when taking this out. Those sidearms can be tricky sometimes. Backpack. All right, get everything cleaned up here and we'll be right back. All right, so Dengar here, he's a heavy figure, as he's going to have to be for this, the backpack. It is quite heavy, but I do like the detail that they have on this. Let's see if we can get a little, should help with the focus. I mean, it's pretty detailed. I'm happy with it. Sometimes these backpacks are just throwaway items. Got a little bit of detail issues on the paint app, on the pack there, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. I think, yep, he fell over. We'll see if we can get him to stand up here. We might have to put him on a stand or use some museum putty. I have a little bit of problems getting him to stand up. He might do better with the backpack. Sometimes that does happen. The rifle, it's pretty much throwaway. The paint job, there is no paint job. It's basically the plastic, and they didn't use a very good color on that, in my personal opinion. And then similar with the sidearm, but yeah. All right. So let's go ahead and put that away here, and let's go ahead and take a look at his articulation. Head movement all the way around pretty good. Gonna be kind of limited because of the head there. It's interesting. Okay. Arms actually are decent. It's better than I was expecting it to be. And movement is going to be at the elbow. Really good movement there. A little bit loose, but not bad. Just the one side is loose. And then torso is good movement there. So good on there. And I didn't say this is a left right. And let's give me an up down. Give me an up down. Yep, up down. All right, awesome. And then the belt here actually is better than I thought it was going to be. It is attached, but it is still loose at the same time. So it's got a little insert there that goes inside of the body, and that's how it stays up. I do like the fact that the holster here is not attached to the leg, so he's going to get some decent movement. Legs, speaking of movement, you're going to have good movement there. And then it is a double knee, except it does not want to bend. I'm not going to force it. So that one is a little stiff. The other one, though, pretty good. All right. So overall, decent movement, especially for as big of a figure as it is. Holster. Go ahead and get that guy in there. It is going to be a tight fit, so you got to be careful with that. There we go. So just make sure you line that up correctly. And there we go. All right, so I wish there was something that we could do with the rifle. The straps do come out here on the backpack. Probably is meant to go around the body. I'm not going to do that, however, but that does fit really well right there. And now we have our figure, and he is standing up pretty well. And I think basically he's made to have that backpack. So it is going to be, that's how he's weighted. So that's why I was having problems getting him to stand up before, I think. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and take some pictures, and we'll be right back. All right, everyone. So what'd you think of Dengar here? I think he's actually a really good, solid figure. The backpack grew on me quite a bit, especially since the straps actually, there are little notches underneath his armor there that you can actually attach it to. Had a little problem on that side there, but on the other side it was perfectly fine. And it looks good. It looks like a solid pack. The blaster sidearm, it was okay. I think it looks good in the holster. And overall though, it's a solid figure. He's able to stand up with the pack on, which is something you don't always get. And you can never have too many bounty hunters. So yeah, I'm waiting for just the last couple of bounty hunters to come out in the archive line, and then I'll be super happy. Speaking of which, did you pick up Dengar? And did you pick up the original red box version, or did you pick up the archive line like I did here? So like I said, I will leave a link to Dengar here on Amazon. If you have any questions about the figure, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that are Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series related, but we also do other things as well, like home automation, going to theme parks such as Batu East or Galaxy's Edge. But we also do other things like drones, gaming, that sort of thing. Basically anything that a professional geek might find interesting. And with that, have a great day.